Hey guys, it's Tiara Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating a Pinterest set. So here are the supplies you're going to need. You're just going to need a daughter tool, a lining brush, and some clear acrylic. For this set, I'm going to be using all Beetles brand polishes, and these are the colors that I'm using. So this is the set that I'm trying to recreate. I found it on Pinterest and it's super cute, super summery and vibrant. So in order to recreate that yellowish color, I decided to mix my yellow and the orange. It kind of still looks the same as the regular yellow, but I just went ahead with it and kept going. I'm going to go ahead and make these smile lines. It takes me kind of a second to get them perfect. I'm not, an expert at French tips, but I do love to do them. And as you can see, what I was just doing is making sure they're even in the same height so I can have that reference for the rest of my set. I'm just going to go ahead with each color and do the same thing on both hands, just so I don't have to come back and redo the whole process over again. So if I'm doing blue, I'm going to do blue for both hands at the same time. So now I'm going to go in with my top coat and put that on every single nail. I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds, and sometimes it leaves a bit of a tacky layer after that amount of time, so I like to go in and make sure that it's totally smooth, nothing's going to stick to it. So basically just cure as needed. Okay, so now for the fun part. So like I mentioned in the title of this video, I'm recreating a set. So this is not my set. I'm just recreating it for the sake of, just for fun and just to challenge myself so I can get some more practice with doing press-ons. I thought the set was super cute, very summery and vibrant. So I'm going to be selling this set actually after I'm finished. It'll be on my site. Everything's going to be linked down below in the description box. So do not worry if you want this set. I'm going off of a technique I learned off of TikTok. In order to make these hibiscus flowers, you're going to make 2 dots per petal and then connect them with one more dot in between. So it kind of makes this like triangular looking shape all the way around. And you can kind of see the outline of the petals before you even connect everything. Then you're going to take a thin lining brush. I know I showed you guys a different one in the beginning, but I honestly switched up all the sizes of my brushes by this part. So essentially what you're going to do is take the liner brush and then drag the petals toward the inner part of the flower. You don't want to overdo it and, keep dragging it and dragging it and dragging it, because it's going to make it too thick and it's going to look kind of odd, and then it won't be, as cute of a design. So yeah, super simple. It actually turned out really, really cute in my opinion. But in order to top it off, I'm going to actually cover it with that clear acrylic that I showed you guys earlier, just so it can get, a little bit more of a 3-dimensional look. I'm going to do this for all of the different nails, basically just going directly off of the picture for reference, doing the exact same colors and everything. So yeah, just watch and enjoy, and that's pretty much all there is to it.
front door like a cater. Made out of alligator. I buy that get shit tailored. Let's play whoever try to play us. Got just now a nigga feeling way up. Lot of money, I can have cash. Boy, flew back, cross water with a passport. I'm getting yours just fast. I'm around the world securing me a bad boy. Call the bro, neighbor like the next door. I was worst cat, carpet in the floor, boy. $100,000 on all tours. Stylish people calling me a drill, boy. Keep hardcore. At the wine, rockin' the time for. So real, rockin' these niggas I kill.
And that's pretty much all I have for this video. Look how cute this turned out. I'm so excited about this set. It's so summery and perfect. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna make this available on my Etsy. It's gonna be listed under ready to ship sets. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.